if you'd like, any tool, it'll help you be more advanced. I like the blocks, I like the straps. If we could adjust a little bit, make some space for all of our friends. I appreciate it so much. Hello, thank you everybody for joining. Beautiful. Excuse me, darling. Do you want to be
Tighten it up, tighten it up.
Oh, okay, never mind. Okay. If we, what do you guys want to do? Oh my gosh, so many students. Just like everything in life, when you start something new, you start from zero. I've been here a little bit over a year. My first classes was just me sitting there like by myself. It's scary. You feel like, oh, maybe I should give up. Maybe it's not the right thing. It's cool. You'll find the people. You'll find your team, your squad, whatever you want to call it. I think 4 or 5 years ago, I said, I want to live in Thailand, on Koh Samui. I want to have a job teaching yoga. I want to do it. And here I am. So, manifestation, prayer, the life is a simulation. Whatever you like. Okay, hello everyone. My name is Eli. I'm from America, from Texas. I've been living here 6 years, teaching yoga here for a year at this gym, but I teach outside as well. Most important, the breath, right? Breathing all the time. Please don't stop breathing. Please don't hurt yourself. It's not a competition. There's no prize at the end, except for what you do for yourself inside. So let's start with grounding. Just close your eyes, connect to your breath, breathe in, breathe out. It's just a matter of, let's not think about what I'm going to eat for a snack after class. Let's not think about, ice cream on the way home, 7-Eleven, Eli. Let's try to bring our mind, our body, our awareness to the room so we can be present. Breathing in and out. I'll start with the opening mantra. You can just listen. Shankachakra Shri Dharinam Sahasra Sirsam Segam Pranayami Patanjalim Om to tabletop, knees under your hips, hands under your shoulders. Here we start to put pressure in the wrists. Nice big circles. Keep that connection with the breath. Let me hear it. I think I'm the only one breathing in here. And change directions, go back the other way. Great, come back to neutral. Plant the toes, push the hips up, down dog, stretch the legs. Down dog, you can walk your dog, just press the heels to the mat, change sides. And step by step, walk up to your hands. And fold, grab your elbow. Let go of the hands. Squeeze your glutes, your butt, squeeze it. Tuck your tailbone, roll up nice and slow. Shoulders back. Good, nice. For a leg, ready to go. Sun salutations. Everybody remember sun salutations? No? Doesn't matter, we can do it together. Come to the top of the mat. Feet together, shoulders back, hands by your side. Samasthiti. Breathe in, lift the hands up, reach up, look up. Mountain. Breathe out, forward fold, hands down, head down. Breathe in, halfway lift, head up. Chaturanga Dandasana. Plant your hands, step or hop back to high plank. Breathe out, lower down, low plank. Breathe in, up dog on your thighs, shoulders open, chest open, head up. Down dog, lower down. And push your hips up and back. Down dog, we don't have our feet, hips width apart. We can bend our knees. Push our hands into the mat, up above our head. 5 breaths here. If you want, you can do child's pose. Child's pose is just like down dog, except from the knees. If you have a problem with the ankle, yeah. 2 more breaths, breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in, step to the top. Fold. Mountain, stand up, reach up. Samasthiti. Perfect. 4 more. Breathe in, mountain. Reach the arms. Fold. Head down, hands down. Halfway, lift head up, look up. Chaturanga, plant the hands, step back, high plank. Lower down, low plank. Breathe in, up dog. Breathe out, down dog or child's pose. When you're in child's pose, when I'm ready to go to the next move, you just prepare from child's pose and come back up. 4. 3. Focus, press back. Stretch the shoulders. 2. 1. Breathe in, look up. Step towards the top. Fold. Mountain, stand up, reach up. Samasthiti. Inhale, mountain, fold. halfway, chaturanga, dandasana, jump down, up dog, breathe in, down dog, breathe out. 4, 3, 2, okay, 1. Breathe in, look up, step to the top, pull. Mountain, stand up, reach. Zazen. Let's move forward to Sun Salutation B. It's a lot of the same sequence, so you can modify with Child's Pose, right? We're going to add 2 poses. Chair pose, right here. That's 1. And then Warrior 1. Warrior 1 is kind of a medium stance, knee bent, arms raised, right? So those are the 2 poses we're going to add. Come back to Sun CPD. Inhale, mountain, arms reach up, fold. Oh, sorry. Sun Salutation B. Sun Salutation B. Chair pose. So we start from Sun CPD. Chair pose. Fold. Halfway, chaturanga. Back, high plank. Breathe, lower down, low plank. Breathe in, up dog. Breathe out, down dog. Right leg, step to the top. Warrior 1. Breathe in, lift up. Chaturanga, hands down. Up dog. Down dog. Left side, Warrior 1. Chaturanga, hands come down. Step that leg back. Low plank. Breathe in, up dog. Breathe out, down dog. 5 breaths. You can choose child pose. Hold. Breathe. 2, 1. Breathe in, look to the top. Step. Fold. Chair pose. Sit down. Hands up. Zazen. Perfect. Chair pose. Sit down. Fold. Halfway. Chaturanga. Flow through the vinyasa. Breathe in, up dog. Breathe out, down dog. Right leg, Warrior 1. Step to the top. Perfect. Chaturanga, hands down, step back. Flow. Up dog. Down dog. Left side, Warrior 1. Bring this left leg up. And do perfect. I saw you. Yes. Perfect. Add that. Thank you so much. Chaturanga, hands down. Stump back. Up dog. Down dog. 5 breaths. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Breathe top. Fold. Chair pose down. Samsiti. Last round. Chair pose. Fold. Halfway lift. Chaturanga. Jump back. Up dog. Down dog. Right side, warrior one, breathe. Yeah, perfect. Chaturanga. Up dog. Down dog. Left side, warrior one. Chaturanga. Up dog. Down dog. 5 left. 4. 3. 2. 1. Breathe in, step to the top. Fold. Chair pose down. Samsiti. Water break, water, water. Take a breath. Reapply your makeup.
Okay, that's what I'm doing.
Are you alright? For me, I did. So sun salutations, this is the bread and butter of yoga, right? This is where we build the arm strength. Chaturanga, here. This is not just reaching, it's also a back bend. When I reach for chaturanga, I want to bring my arms first. Look at my back. My head's not moving. First, my hands. When I stop, now my head can come to open. This one is the first back bend. We start to open the arm, open the rib. Yeah. Sometimes we do the head first. You open the ribs. When you bring the arms up, the ribs flare open, and then each vertebrae can bend a little bit more. Okay, ready for standing sequence. Now that we're warmed up, we're going to spend 5 breaths in each pose. So that lets us get deeper into our body, the feeling of the stretch. Use the breath to expand, feel where it's tight, feel where it's loosening up. Right?
Is nose breathing? Okay.
If you can.
No, I could. I just make it short.
Yeah. Number one, always try to go for the nose.
Okay.
Right? It'll make you more beautiful. Right? Nobody likes it. Okay, you ready? Come to Samsiti. Inhale, step to the edge of the mat. Peace to everybody in the world and love. Reach from the sky. When you fold, lift your belly like you're lifting it over the fence. And fold. 2 fingers grab your big toe here. Elbows go out. Pull the head to the floor. Settle in. 5 breaths. Fold. You can bend the knees just a little bit, it's okay. 3. 2. 1. Halfway lift, lift the head up. Hands underneath the feet. Palm to foot pad. And palm to foot pad. And pull the head towards the toes and the floor. everybody. Take one. Time out. Can you breathe in? Stand up for me. Everybody? Hey, one second. I want to teach you the technique. You ever have to climb the fence before? You never climbed the fence before? When you do this fold, you want to feel like you're climbing the fence, right? When my hands, I come in here and I'm pulling with my back and my shoulders. It will help the back to expand more. So let's try it again. You come here, reach in, reach up, fold. Let's bring the hands down to the feet here and pull with the shoulders, with the back, and bring the head down to the floor. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the hands. Roll up nice and slow. Come back to the top. Sound. Inhale, right leg steps back about 4 feet. If you'll see it, my feet are on the same line. So this is the first step, always with the feet. 45-degree turn inside. And then my arms, now I'm balancing. I want to stay in a straight line. This is where the block comes in. I'm going to put the block by my front foot here. Right? My arms up. I'm going to bend my front leg, lean forward, either grab the block or grab my big toe. Then straighten the leg, push my hip forward, and twist, reach up to the ceiling. Triangle pose. So we want to straighten the front leg and grab the big toe. Perfect. Reach to the ceiling, but push the hip forward. There you go. Straight from one hand to the other hand. Yeah, grounding yourself, man. Just gonna push that hip forward, huh? Yeah, there you go. 4, almost. 3, here, and here. And move up this way, push forward. 2, 1, breathe in, lift up. That was a long climb, yeah. Sorry. Turn to the other way. A little bit of magic for you. Alright, our feet were facing this way, and then magic. I'm facing the other way. Arms up, nice and strong. I'm going to bend the leg for a little bit. Grab the toe. Now straighten the leg. Boom. And twist, look up to the ceiling. Okay, go this hip, push this hip. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, lift up. Turn back to the front. This time the block can go outside the front foot. Arms up, feet ready. My back hand, like a seatbelt. The seatbelt comes down across to touch. And then I twist, I reach for the ceiling. Look up behind me. Four.
Same leg on the block as the. Should this look?
3.
Should be done a lot.
Yes. And twist this time. 2. 1. Look down first. Breathe in. Stand up. That's okay. It's okay. Turn. Let's go back the other way. The block goes outside of our foot here. Boom. Try. Yeah, try inside. Our back hand. You then touch the block, touch down wherever you like, and then reach, look up, and breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Look down, breathe in, stand up, turn back to the front, Sam. Extended side angle position. Step wide this time. And I'm gonna bend the knee here. So you can see I'm squat down. Here. Now my arms. The block can go in the same position here by the foot. Now imagine somebody pulls your hand. And then you bring your hand down by the foot. The top arm's gonna reach over your head like a ballerina. And you look up to the ceiling. Four. 3. 2. 1. Breathe in, lift. Turn to the other side. Boom. Somebody pulls my hand, and I place the hand next to the foot. Top arm comes over my head like a ballerina, and I look up to the ceiling. 4. 3. 2. 1. Breathe in, lift up. Turn back to the front. Still on extended side. Hold. Here. This one's a little advanced, so we can come down to one knee to start. Alright? Opposite knee, opposite elbow. I'm going to hook the knee here. Hands come to prayer. If I want, I can lift the knee off the mat. Revolve, extended side angle posture. 4. 3. 2. 1. Look down. Breathe in, stand up. Turn to the other side. Perfect. You can bring it down to one knee to start here. Elbow comes to hook the knee. And then I bring my hands to prayer. And then if I want, I can lift up the back leg. 4. 3. 2. 1. Look down. Breathe in. Stand up. Turn back to the front. Sounds. Let's all turn, face the windows here. Wide-legged forward fold. Reach the hands up. Fold, hands come down, the same line as the feet. Elbows tucked, try to bring the head to the floor. 4. 3. 2. 1. Inhale, halfway lift. Hold. Bring your hands to your waist. Elbows back. Fold. And down. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in halfway. Breathe in all the way up. All the way up. Hands behind the back. Grab them. Roll your shoulder blades back. Chest out. Fold. Head down. Pull your hands off your back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go of the hands. 2 fingers. Grab your big toe. And fold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go of the toes. Come up, nice and strong. All the way. Now, give yourself a little wiggle. Put it all back together. And step back to the top. Thumbs. Inhale, right leg steps back. Hands to prayer behind your back. Or grab. Here. Turn towards the leg, belly to the thigh, and I look at the big toe. Fold, stare at the big toe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, lift up. Turn to the back. Same thing, belly to the thigh. Fold. Look at your big toe. Fold. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, lift up. Let go of the hands. Come back to Samsara. Ready for the advanced posture of the day. A lot of them are advanced already. One hand, one leg posture. I can give 2 levels. Most of the people already know. If you know it, you can go. 15 breaths. Right? Level 1 will be hand on the waist, high knee. 5 breaths. 5 breaths. 5 breaths. Okay? Or one hand, one foot posture. Right? I grab my big toe with the big American bang bang fingers. Okay? Grab the big toe and you make a little lock. 5 breaths, and then no hand, 5 breaths. Prepare, you can do whichever leg you like. I'm going to start right leg balance. Prepare, grab the foot, hands to the waist. Kick. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the front. 2 hands on the waist. Kick that leg. 4, 3, 2, a little more. 1, release. Check it out. Yeah. All right. Prepare your other leg. You can even do, right? Think about a tree, whatever size tree you are today, right? 4, 3, 2, a little bit more. 1, release. Check it out. Good job, everyone. Good job. Water. Doing great, doing great. We're almost finished with the standing sequence, and we'll get into the seated sequence. Right? Almost. Just a few more vinyasas. Ready? Half lotus, forward fold. This one will be 2 options as well. You can go figure 4 or half lotus, right? Up to your knee and hip. So, ready? Hold, half lotus, find your balance, and head to the floor. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, come up. Control. Release. Other side. Prepare. Half lotus, forward fold. Find your balance. In. And down, head down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Release. Come back, Samasthiti. Inhale, mountain. Fold. Halfway lift. Chaturanga. Up dog. Down dog. Step to the top. Fold. Chair pose, 5 breaths. Now when you're here, squeeze your glutes, tuck your tailbone in. Get that core engaged. Reach the arms up. 4, to down a little bit more. 3, 2, 1. Samasthiti. Inhale, mountain. Fold. Halfway lift. Chaturanga. Up dog. Down dog. Prepare for warrior 1. Right side, warrior 1. 5 breaths. Bend that knee leg. 3, 4. Shoulders down, ears. 3, 2, 1. Keep looking up. Turn to the back. Left side, warrior 1. Warrior 1. Not there yet. 4. Yeah, that's it for 3, 2, 1. Warrior 2. Settle in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn to the front. Warrior 2, settle in. 2, 1. Sama sticky. Come back to inhale, mountain. Fold. Halfway. Chaturanga. Up dog. Down dog. Jump through to sit down. Bring your knees up to touch the elbows and come to a seat. You did it. Look at us, advanced postures and everything. Here, sometimes I have to move the meat out of the way. Sit nice and tall. Dandasana, stick posture. Inhale, reach. Reach for the toes. And fold. Pull the head down. Fold. Three. 2, 1. Inhale, halfway lift. Then you grab a little deep and fold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Nice, slow. My hands lean back, keep my shoulders back, point the toes, reverse plank. 5 breaths, breathe in, lift. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Half lotus, forward fold. Bring that left leg in to fold. This is where the strap comes in useful. I'm going to wrap the foot. Right? If I cannot grab the foot with my hand, I'm going to use the strap to grab the foot. Right? And then I reach and fold. Fold. 3, 2, 1. Release. Change sides. Hold the leg. Carry your strap. Reach for the leg and fold. Fold. 3, 2, 1. Release. Take the strap off. Now, main the block. This leg is folded. I'm just going to bring it underneath, flat on top of the shin. You see my hips are a little bit unbalanced. The block goes underneath. The other side, nice and flat, nice and level. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Fold. 3, 2, 1. Release. 3, 2, 1. Release. You can take the block out. This leg that we have folded, let's bring out to the side. Here, like a half swift. Turn towards the straight leg, reach out and fold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Pull this inside to the thigh, nice and tight, down to the reach for the leg and pull. Pull. 3, 2, 1. Release. Change sides. Bring it up nice and snug into the thigh. You're gonna roll forward with a stretch. Thank you so much. See you next time, darling. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Let's bring the feet together, butterfly. Oh, I'm so sorry. This. You're the boss. Thank you so much. It was this one. You forgot the right side on this one and the other side.
This one we do. This one we do.
Mission complete. Okay, do the other side. Do the other side and 3, 5 breaths. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. So we got that half split one, and then did you do Janu Shastasana on the right side, Janu Shastasana on the left side? Yeah. Okay, now butterfly. I'm so sorry. Forgot what we started. Butterfly here. First round, we lead with the heart. So nice and tall. Fold. Pull your feet towards your chest. 4, 3, 2, 1. This time, try to bring the top of your head to the feet. Fold, roll, move them all. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Let's roll onto the back for waterfall and cloud. I'm going to use my hands to protect the low back. So for me, I just roll this little ball with my hands on the right place. Then I keep the feet up. 9, 8, 7. Push the toes to the ceiling straight. 6, 5. Start to lower the toes. 4, behind the head. 3, 2, then you touch the floor. 1. One. Bend your knees, turn into a little ball, and rock and roll out of the pose. Let's let the legs go long. Grab the right leg, right hand, and stretch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open to the side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it across, change hands. Twist. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Change side. Left leg. Stretch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Change hands, twist across the body. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Prepare for Shavasana. Shavasana is just a lovely position. We already did the work that we needed to do. Thank you so much to our bodies. Now we integrate our practice. Connect to your breath. Breathe in nice and slow and deep. Inhale. Exhale. I know I'm breathing in deep. I know I'm breathing out slow. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Paripalayandam Yayena Margena Mahim Mahishaya Go Brahmanebhya Shubhamastu Nityam Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Om Shanti 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 May all the leaders in the world lead with wisdom. May all people, plants, and animals be healthy, happy, and free. Om, peace, peace, peace. Om. Softly, sweetly, slowly. Start to wiggle the toes, wiggle the fingers. Maybe you give yourself a stretch, reach. More. Maybe you need some twist or something else. You can take that. And whenever you're ready, you can sit up. You can seat. If you'd like to join me to close the class with one Om, let's bring our hands together in prayer. Inhale. Thank you so much for sharing this space with each other. Thank you so much for sharing the time with me. Have a great evening. Take it easy. We're going to be here every night doing the thing. I hope to see you here tomorrow. So, thank you so much. Let me take the light off. Big light. If you have any questions, I'll be here for a few minutes. Other than that, drive safe. Have a great night.
I've been here for, I think February 7th, but I won't be here. I'll probably move by April. Yeah, I'm probably good. But I've been, I came to the time in December 7th. And I'm still working, and I just wanted to see.
I do one class at night. Don't forget to take care of your gear. Don't forget to take care of your gear. Thank you so much.
Yeah.